Welcome back to Geared Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to fix Microsoft Store that is missing on Windows 11 PC. In case you click on this one search button and search for a store app or Microsoft Store and you find that it is missing on your Windows 11 PC, you need to reinstall using PowerShell. For that, click on this one start button and then search here PowerShell. In the search results, right click on this one Windows PowerShell entry, select here run as administrator option. In case Windows prompts, click on the yes button. In the PowerShell window, all you need to copy and paste this one command from this one video description. After that, press enter on the keyboard. This will take a few seconds and it will download Microsoft Store from Microsoft Server and will install it for you automatically. Once it completes, close this one Windows PowerShell window. Now again click on this one start button and you should see Microsoft Store has been added to your Windows 11. You can open it and download any software on your Windows 11 PC from this one Microsoft Store. That's all about this video. See you in the next video. Bye.